Welcome back. The essential guide to repotting tomatoes. Here's a tomato. It's not looking too good. Well, it's two tomatoes in the same pot. Quite a small pot. Something needs to be done about them. Right, firstly, some soil in the bottom of the pot. Like so. So we get it ready. Okay. So, and then don't worry about making too much of a mess. Try and clear it out of the pot. Okay, this is going to be a good example because these are overgrown and easy to be moved ages ago. Alright, so break it apart. I'll just move it out of the way a bit so you can see better. Break it apart, alright, nice and gently. We don't want to damage these little white roots. These are what feed it, these are what give it its drink. So we'll place it in the pot. This is the first one. Put it nice and centralised. And then fill it up. At this stage, don't push down too hard because it's already had a bit of a battering. So we'll put him in. Okay. And he's very fragile, so we'll give him a stick. Right, careful pushing through, we don't want to damage the roots too badly. Okay, and then I'll use these. Pull one out. Obviously you can just put a little piece of string around there, but don't put the string around too tight because he's still very delicate. Okay, so we'll just rest him there for now. Little thing, right, there, and plonk him there. Alright, just to give him some support, okay? Right, now looking here, if you look here, any shoot coming between the branch and the main stem is called a side shoot. And you want to pinch those out. So if you look, there's nothing there, there's nothing there, there's a tiny little bit there. You need to make sure the side shoots are gone because it takes food out of the plant. You want your little flowers there ready to produce your tomatoes, okay? We'll put one more stem, or round the stem once more, a little bit higher up so it's ready for as it grows. Okay. And then got another one just gently holding it there, and as the stem gets bigger and stronger it will carry on going up the cane and it will start to root around the cane, making the cane more stable. Okay. So we'll fill it up with some more compost. Obviously still don't press down too hard because the roots are still very delicate. Okay, so that's how you pot up a tomato, and we'll move on to the next one, which is in slightly better condition. I'll just repeat the process again. Again, nice and gentle, making sure not to damage the roots. Putting them in. Soil around the outside, so it's nice and easy, just gentle with the stem, don't put any pressure on it because you can quite easily damage it, so just holding it in position, make sure it doesn't fall about too much, and then put the stick in again. I'll put it at the front this time so it's nice and easy to see. I want to try and get it in close-ish, but I don't want to damage the plant in any way. Then one of these little things to hold it up, but as I said, you can just use string. String's absolutely fine. Right, just make sure the string's not too tight because as the plant grows you don't want the string to start to strangle it. So these are quite good because you can adjust them. We put it on so it's reasonably tight and then it can just be adjusted at a later date. Personally I'd do it a bit tighter, but this is actually going to my girlfriend's sister's, so I put it on reasonably loose in case she doesn't adjust it. Right, and that is pretty much alright. There's a little side shoot at the top here which I'm just pulling off, looks like that. Alright, so we just get rid of that because we don't want to keep that, because we want to make sure it's got one stem. As you can see, when it straightens off it will look like this. Alright, going up, and we just check there's a little one at the bottom here. That's a side shoot that I'm taking off. As you can see again, between they're sort of what you call the branch stem coming out and the main stem. So anything there needs to be taken out. It takes food away from the main plant, and you want it to go flower as soon as possible when you say you get your tomatoes as soon as possible. Anyway, it's as simple as that. 2 tomatoes, repotted, little tiny pot, nice big pot now. We give them a water. Always very important when repotting plants to water them as soon as possible. So if you're doing sort of 9 or 10, maybe if it takes you a while, do 3 or 4 water them, then do the next 3 or 4 water them again. And obviously if you're giving them to someone to look after as well, just in case they haven't got any string or they haven't got any ties, always worth remembering, chuck a little bit on top for them, so when they take it they can tie it up themselves so it's ready for them. And I think that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching the video.